Americans rely on access to electricity as a part of their everyday lives, but power grids occasionally fail and power outages ensue. With the KMAG magnesium air fuel cell, you won't risk a single day being without electricity. The KMAG is a lightweight, powerful, and low-cost solution to your portable power needs. The unique design operates from a chemical reaction between magnesium, water, and sodium. Just adding water to the unit makes power instantly available. KMAG provides affordable, convenient portable power and offers substantial advantages over other forms of energy generation and power storage. It is safe to use and environmentally friendly. It produces no greenhouse emissions, and unlike lead and acid batteries, the KMAG neither contains nor generates any hazardous materials to discard. KMAG can be scaled up or down to meet the power requirements for an emergency situation or for a host of outdoor and off-the-grid activities. The KMAG is made from recycled plastic. It is 90% lighter in weight than an equivalent power marine battery and costs 80% less than a comparable 100-watt hydrogen fuel cell. The KMAG has an indefinite shelf life, and it comes with easily replaceable anodes and reusable electrolytes with an extended shelf life that cause no degradation in a short circuit situation. KMAG is the perfect choice for your clean, green energy needs, ranging from emergency home units to community power for developing nations and disaster areas. Why needlessly risk your quality of life? Get your KMAG power system from Prepare Now TV today.